All right, welcome back. We're going to talk a little bit about consultants, the HUD consultants for FHA 203K and for our conventional renovation programs. I just had a report come in from a consultant that I was not familiar with, and I couldn't believe that they only charged the client $500 for this report. Well, then I called the client and I said, I got the report. It didn't seem very detailed. And they were like, yeah, the consultant was only here for 20 minutes. Whoa, right there, red flag. A consultant should be in your home for more than 20 minutes. He didn't check the crawl space. He didn't check the attic. He didn't check the roof. He kind of just ran in and out of the house, asked a few questions, and then boom, created a report. That is just a red flag. So this is not where you want to save money. When you're making the biggest purchase of your life and you're doing a renovation loan, you want to get a consultant that's extremely detailed. And actually, if you pay $1,200, but you get an incredible report that's detailed, you're not going to have any problems then with your project. So buyer beware. Cheap consultants are no good. If you want more tips for renovation loans, join my YouTube channel.